Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize and locate the negative graffiti 2 effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, and then we're going to locate the negative graffiti 2 effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to scroll through it to see how it looks. We're going to bring it to a point of the clip that we want it to be affecting. And so I would say that's a good point. Now, before we press play, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the atmosphere, filter, noise, size, speed, and texture of this effect. So you guys can play around with those as you like. And let's play the video. And there you have the negative graffiti 2 effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have a question, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.